Let's look at this question. There are two milk containers, each containing a solution of milk and water. In the first container, milk and water are in the ratio 5:3. Solutions from the first container and second container are mixed in the ratio 2:5. Milk and water are in the ratio 17:11 in the resultant mixture. In the second container, the ratio of milk to water is. So, precisely, we are given two solutions, and the proportion of milk in or the ratio of milk and water in this container, first container, is given as 5:3. So the ratio of milk is to water is given as 5:3 in first container, but we are not given the proportion of second containers, right? And we have to find the ratio of milk and water in this second container, and these are mixed. These are mixed in the ratio 2:5 to make a third solution or the resultant solution that has milk and water in the ratio 17:11. So this is the precise outlines of the question. Now we have to mix these two solutions to get this, right? So this question basically uses the concept of weighted average, right? We need to add two solutions to get the final solution in which proportion is given. So we need to work on any of the element, be it milk or be it water, right? So the proportion, I need to work on proportion of any one of them, right? So I'm taking the proportion of milk from the first solution, right? So weighted average or the proportion in final solution, proportion of milk in final solution would be equal to proportion of milk in first solution into volume of first solution plus proportion of second solution into volume of second solution divided by volume 1 plus volume 2, right? What does it mean? So we are using the concept of weighted average, right? Proportion into volume gives us the quantity of the ingredient, right? That is milk here. So this is the total quantity divided by total volume. We get the final proportion. Final proportion we already have. It is 17/28, and that is equal to proportion in first container is 5/8. And if you multiply it with volume, that is 2 units plus proportion of milk in second. We do not know. So it is proportion in second into volume is 5 units for second solution, and volume, the sum of volumes is 2 plus 5 is 7. So we can cancel it out 4 times, and then we can cross multiply these terms to get 17 is equal to 5. This 4 into 2 is 8, 8 get cancelled. So 5 plus proportion of milk in solution 2 into 5. So we can see the proportion of milk in solution 2 is coming out to be 12 by, we can see it is 12 by 5, right? Oh, okay. So I haven't, yes, multiplied this 4. This is not 5. Very sorry. It is 20. It becomes 20, right? So it becomes 20. So final proportion I'm getting is 12/20. You can cancel it out by 4. So it becomes 4 3 times or 5 times. We can see the total solution is 5 unit, and out of these 5 unit, milk is 3 parts, right? So I can say in second solution, milk and water would be in the ratio 3:2. Or the correct answer to this question is option A.